Quitting porn can be dangerous. But Dr. Trish, you say this is going to help me, and Dr. K says that it's dangerous. Okay, so he's not entirely wrong, but there's more to it than what he's telling you. Let's unpack it together. Dr. K, a Harvard-trained psychiatrist, makes a very important point that if you try to quit porn without brain regulation, emotional regulation, and learning self-regulation skills, you may end up in worse shape than you were without it. Without replacing the habit and getting to the core of the issue, things may get worse before they get better. You're more anxious, you're more irritable, you struggle with more cravings and urges. Yes, without the proper tools, you might even crash. That is 100% true. Depression won't work long term. Quitting cold turkey without putting a structured plan in place, well, that's a recipe for relapse. It's imperative to address that underlying dysfunctional brain pattern once and for all. Okay, but this is what Dr. K isn't telling you. Quitting porn isn't the thing that's dangerous. It's half quitting where the danger lies. Let me tell you. So many people realize porn is not serving them and maybe even harming them, so they decide to quit. But they don't stop masturbating. They don't stop going to lower key, hypersexualized stimuli. They don't stop fantasizing. All of these things are keeping that wiring going. It's all still a mechanism to get that dopamine hit from memory, imagination, or the screen. Your brain doesn't care if it's a video or a vivid memory. It fires up the neural pathways in the exact same way. So even though you stay away from porn proper or even explicit matter altogether, if you're still doing these other behaviors, you're still reinforcing the pattern that got you where you are today. You've removed the content, but you have not removed the compulsion. That's the missing link. Quitting porn isn't dangerous. Quitting it without a full system, now that is. That's why I've always taught a comprehensive 3-step system. It works like this. Step number 1, unwire. It's imperative that you unwire the need to go back to the screen or to compulsive hypersexualized behaviors so that you're not getting those dopamine hits in the places that you've been looking for them for a long time. For you, that might include masturbation, fantasy, lusting, or checking people out, even social media. Unwiring is only the first step. The second step is the rewire. When you're rewiring your brain for healthy dopamine from healthy sources, essentially what we're doing is a pleasure pathway reset from hypersexualized content back into your life. A life of purpose, of people, of hobbies that fire you up. This rewire system rebuilds your habits and it makes it so you can be successful long term. Then, of course, number 3 is the hardwire section. This is where the magic happens. This is where you get your vitality back by rebuilding new neural pathways and synergizing them so that you get your sexual energy back, your masculine vitality, you feel creative, you know how to implement that creativity. This is the culmination of all 3 phases. You find your true self again because you're no longer at internal war with the 2 versions, the one that wants the pleasure but gets the pain, or the one who's on purpose, who has joy and the happiness trifecta of dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin. Let's be real. Saying that quitting porn is dangerous misses the point. We're focused on the wrong thing. What's really dangerous is portraying yourself as one man on the outside, right? Dr. Jekyll. You look like you have it together. You're successful, you look confident, but on the inside and in private, you're Mr. Hyde. You're hooked on compulsive behaviors from sexuality, and you know that you're stuck. You know you're not free. This is the real danger. So it's not quitting that's dangerous, it's staying stuck. That is. Quitting isn't the problem, it's how you quit that matters. This is exactly why I created my program. It's exactly for men who are sick of playing defense. Instead, they want to rock out their best life. You know you're being held back, and you don't want to miss out on the top 1% version of yourself anymore. So if that's you, go over to drtrishleigh.com. Check out the programs. There's one that fits for you. Now is the time that you figure out how to rewire your brain, rebuild these habits, and get back to a life that serves you. One in the relationship that you've always wanted, with a better sex life than ever. One that allows you to enjoy your hobbies. The dopamine's there again. And of course, your work, that will be your purpose and your creativity. Okay, so if Dr. K's video hit you in the gut, and especially now that I'm telling you this, good, I'm glad, because quitting halfway won't do it. You have to quit everything: porn, masturbation, lusting, fantasy. So tell me in the comments, have you half quit before? And what has it led you to do? Where are you? Are you still stuck? If you're ready to quit fully and to take your life back, drop a red X in the comments. Let's go. In the next video, I answer one of the most frequent questions that I get. What about masturbation without porn? Well, neuroscience doesn't lie, but the answer might surprise you.